ED1000 is a medical device that is used in treating impotence. Usually we are used to the drugs, the PDE5 inhibitors. The machine is for treating men with erectile dysfunction using shockwave technology. It does not involve taking drugs. It is painless. It has no side effects. So what the machine does is that it addresses the cause of erectile dysfunction, the cause of the impotence, by creating new blood vessels, making it more like a permanent solution. Usually patients that are diabetic, hypertensive, and old patients, they benefit from this machine.
The future of medicine is here in Nigeria. It is time to equip our hospitals, reduce medical tourism,